In this video,
we will learn how to check tournament score in Fortnite. In Fortnite, if you want to check out the tournament score, either your or your friends, all you need to do is after opening up the game, go to the Compete tab from the top hand side of your screen. In here, you will find all the tournaments that are available and the tournaments you participated in. So in order to check the stats of any of the tournaments in here, just click on any of the tournaments and go to event detail. Now you need to choose the session that you want to check the stats of. After going into the session, you will see a session leaderboard and also prizes and reward. Just click on the session leaderboard, and after clicking on the session leaderboard, you will see all the details of that tournament and the highest score that was done during that particular tournament. So this is how you can easily check tournament scores in Fortnite and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.